Semantic Kernel versus Model Context Protocol. Which framework is better? So, Semantic Kernel is an open source SDK designed to help developers integrate AI models like OpenAI or Azure OpenAI into apps, and it enables orchestrations of prompts, plugins, and planning so AI agents can execute multi-step tasks. So, what's good about it or its pros? It has a plugin ecosystem, a strong Microsoft support, a multi-language support, and a planning and chaining, which means it lets AI break down complex tasks into smaller actions automatically. However, there may be some downsides. It's still in the early stage ecosystem. They also have a steep learning curve, and it is also based on Microsoft, so it's more on the center of Microsoft. Now, Model Context Protocol on the other hand, or MCP, is an open protocol for connecting AI models to external tools and data sources. It allows standardized communication between LLMs and services so you can build flexible tool using agents. So what's good about it is it also has an open protocol. It's not tied to one company and it's designed for interoperability. It also has a flexible integration with other AI tools and other databases tools. It also has a standardized format which makes it easier to connect multiple modules in one system and is future-proof, so being adopted quickly by open-source AI projects. However, the problem is it is also still new, and the documentation and adoption are still on the early stage. It also requires a technical setup, which is very hard to maintain and configure, and there's no built-in planning compared to Microsoft. So overall, if you want AI orchestration with built-in planning, plugins, and Microsoft support, then Semantic Kernel is for you. But if you prefer open standards, cross-platform flexibility, and long-term interoperability, then MCP is the right option.